What is this? It is a stapler. What is this? It is a calendar. What are these? These are books. What is this? It is a ruler. What is this? It is a lunchbox. What is this? It is an eraser. What is this? It is a pencil case.